is a great skill. I'm gonna show you how to make it a little bit better, a little bit more challenging, and maybe shake things up between you and your training partner. So first is, the punch comes, you redirect. If you can bridge, bridge. That's always great because then you can shut down that arm. So redirect, bridge, then strike. Now, if you just touch and fire, your opponent may very well be able to redirect you. So I always add a very, very short, tiny little pull called bow and arrow. So upon making contact, I turn my waist almost like I'm about to cock my fist back. Not a big wind up. It's just when I make contact, I sink onto the bridge a little bit and then fire. So redirect, bridge, bow and arrow slightly, fire. Now, you may say, well, maybe they will be able to feel that too. Sure, if I fire and they redirect, it's very easy to come over and to continue that motion forward and follow up with a secondary strike. So I'm actually looking for that. So 1, 2, bow and arrow, fire. And again, that bow and arrow is just like 1 ounce beats 1,000 pounds. Touch, turn, and fire. Go for it.